Hello and welcome. I have Lavanya with me. Lavanya, you qualified your NET exam in December 2019 in commerce. How is this feeling of qualifying this big exam?
Okay, Garima, thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction. Of course, it feels very much overwhelming. I did not expect that I would qualify the exam in this short. Anyhow, quite happy with this.
Amazing, amazing. Tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? Where were you born? And currently, where are you living?
Okay, I am from Kerala. My hometown is in Thrissur district. I'm from Kerala, but I currently live in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I'm pursuing my MCOM right now, which is my final exams or semesters are still pending. So I'm still an MCOM student.
Amazing. So you've qualified your NET exam even before you got your degree. That's like a head start into your career. Tell us more. Why did you want to give the NET exam? Why you chose this?
Okay, I wanted to become a professor in commerce, in my field. So from the very beginning, I was very clear about what I had to become in my life. So for this, the main step which I had to take was to qualify NET. So that was the main reason why I chose to write the exam.
So I want to delve deeper into how you got this NET exam cleared. Tell us more. Was this your first attempt at the preparation?
No, it wasn't my first attempt. It was actually my third attempt. The first two attempts, I had not made any preparations. I have not done any major preparations. It was just a short which I tried to give because my professors told me to try in a NET exam since my career goal was to become a professor. In the third attempt, when I searched the internet, I came to know about the human factors material and how the your ex students or the qualified students were quite satisfied with this.
Great, that's amazing. So you are on the right path to pursue and fulfill your dreams. My next question would be about
I think so.
division of time between various subjects and between paper 1 and paper 2. Can you throw some light on that?
Okay. Paper two, I won't say that it's easy because anything, everything has everyone have their own difficulty level. Since I have taken commerce in my 12th standard, from my 12th standard, my stream was commerce. So I found the paper two to prepare a bit easy. So there were only certain subjects which were new to me. Otherwise, the other subjects were already something which I was coming across from my 12th standard. So paper two was quite easy for me. Paper one was something like the tricky questions, the quantitative aptitude. So for my preparation, I devoted some more time for paper. And paper two automatically happened because my course was informed simultaneously. The semesters were taking place. So some or the other, how in my opinion, or in my preparation strategy was something where I devoted some more time to one comparatively to paper two.
For someone who's going to sit for the exam for the first time, how many months and how many hours every day would you suggest them to study?
Months, I would say, if it is, if you are very sincere and the exact time, not the exact time, according to me, 2 to 3 months is enough if the person is already continuing in the same stream, because he or she would be already into the stream, so it would be enough for him to prepare. And the time, I would say, if he's a college student like college student like me, I used to devote some time in the early morning because I'm an early morning study. I like to study in the early morning. So I would get up around 5, 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours in the morning. And after college, I used to study around 1 to 2 hours. So anyhow, 4 to 5 hours is minimum which is required to prepare this for this exam.
That's amazing. Thank you for sharing so much with us. Before I conclude the interview, can you give one piece of advice which you consider most important for someone who is going to appear for this exam?
Piece of advice is nothing. Hard work is ultimately something which you can put into any exam in your life, whether small or big. It is on any type of material. There may be, even you may have even the best material in the world, but at last, the effort which you put in is what you is what you get at the end. So that's all. It's you who can help you succeed in the future. That would be my piece of advice.
I think those were very, very wisdomous words, if that is a word. And thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for sharing it with us and making time and doing this interview with us. Thank you, Lavanya. It was a pleasure
Okay, it's
speaking
my
to you.
pleasure.